I mean, you can just lose yourself in art and art making.
The Haa is our summer fundraiser. So each summer we invite local, regional, national, and international artists to come take over our building for one short weekend where they transform every single space into an interactive, immersive art experience.
When we moved into our new building, we really wanted people to experience our space and experience the mission of Haa School for the Arts. So why not transform every room into some place you could create?
It really makes the art more tangible, more exciting, and people really get to participate in the whole process of the Haa.
We get to see our community just be amazed, bewildered with all of the amazing projects that the artists are creating.
One of the best things about planning the Haa is being able to say yes to artists.
I submitted a proposal to Haa around a community and collaborative game of ping pong.
The whole idea is that it is art that you can get up on and sink your fingers into. It's something that you can experience not only visually but physically as well.
I was completely floored to find Ha's call for artists. It was exactly what I wanted to do.
I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.
Come join us, come make something.
Every year we dial it in and we get a little bit better and a little bit bigger.